Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add debit or credit card on StockX. Firstly, go to the StockX app. Once the app is opened, you will be on the home page. To add debit or credit card on StockX, tap on the bottom right corner of your screen, which is the profile option. Then on the sixth, you may see the wallet option. Tap on that. Then on the top, you may see buying info. Tap on edit beside buying info. Furthermore, the app asks you for your payment method. To add debit or credit card on StockX, tap on credit or debit card. This opens the billing address where you have to add your first and last name, the country you live in, your address. The app gives you a few suggestions right above your keyboard. You can tap on them to use them. Then you may add your zip or postal code. And lastly, add your phone number. Once you've filled in all your details, you may tap on Next. The app asks you to select your payment method. Then you may tap on credit or debit card to add your credit or debit card. Then the app asks you to fill in your card details. Firstly, fill in your card number. Once you've filled in your card number, you may tap on Next. Then you have to add the expiration date of your card, the security code of your card, and lastly, your postal code. Once you've filled in all the details correctly, tap on Add Card on the top right corner of your screen. Once it loads completely, your debit or credit card would be added to the StockX app. This is how you can easily add your debit or credit card on StockX. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.